Now get your news around cancer from across the world in this wrap.
Research has found a crucial link between old age and cancer. Senior citizens are more vulnerable to cancer as they age. Their cells are more prone to damage. About 60% of cancers occur in people 65 years of age or older. Cancer starts when our cells gets damaged. The older we get, the more time there is for cell damage to build up, which can lead to cancer. Russian President Putin announced that Russian scientists are very close to create a vaccine that would prevent cancer, although it is uncertain which type of cancer the vaccine would target. Certain countries report the least number of cancer cases in the world. Japan is least hit by cancer, followed by Finland, Sweden, Iceland and Norway. Denmark also found a place in the list, followed by Singapore, Switzerland and Australia. Japan's diet, high in salmon, vegetables and green tea, research indicates is the reason behind it. Finland's healthcare system is lauded for keeping their cancer rates low and early diagnosis possible. Sweden's public health efforts are the reason behind its low cancer rates.
The World Health Organization says that eventually in the next few years, 1 in every 5 people will develop cancer. The incidence of cancer will be more amongst men than women. The deaths also, as far as cancer is concerned, will be more among men than women. 1 in 9 men are likely to die of cancer. 1 in 12 women will die of cancer. Lung cancer, breast cancer and colon cancer are the most common types of cancer. But the deadliest kind of cancer is lung cancer. It kills the most. Also, populations above the age of 55, which means essentially those who are senior citizens, are more likely to develop cancer than the younger population. News from around the health sector in our Health Wrap.
The Health Ministry has urged the Ministry of External Affairs to appoint a nodal officer to facilitate organ transplants and donations that are undertaken by foreigners. This is to prevent potential commercial dealings in the process. The Health Ministry has sought specific rules regarding transplantation and donation to be disseminated for foreigners, citing lack of veracity of documents establishing relation between donor and recipient. With the new initiative encouraging more organ donations in Odisha, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has announced that the funeral for organ donors will now be conducted with full state honours. CM Patnaik lauded relatives of brain-dead people who had to take the courageous decision to donate their organs. This is in addition to other government initiatives like Suraj Award 2020 and the State Organ and Tissues Transplantation Organization. A new study highlights the rapid spread of avian flu among mammals, specifically influenza A H5N1 infections. The study points towards an evolving virus that could pose a global risk. Though it traditionally affects birds, its rapid spread to mammals has raised concerns about its possible transmission to humans. The study says that to mitigate the risk of pandemic, continued surveillance is necessary. A 13-year-old named Lucas, hailing from Belgium, became the first known child to be cured of a rare brain cancer called diffuse intrinsic pontine glioma or DIPG. With only 300 children being diagnosed with DIPG in the US every year, Lucas beat the rare and aggressive cancer through responding positively to cancer drug everolimus. Though by the end of the treatment, Lucas's tumor had vanished entirely, experts say exact reasons for his full recovery are yet to be understood. Experts suggest unique responses to drugs may be tied into each child's biological particularities. A recent study shows that familiar fragrances may help aid the memory recall of depressed individuals, which could potentially assist them in beating depression. Studies also show that scents are more effective than words when it comes to memory recall, which means they elicit a stronger memory recall than words do. Scents could be used in medical settings where they help depressed persons break negative thought patterns and direct their attention to other events which can lead to faster healing.